in a brand new build in downtown Toronto, and this condo is great, has amazing bones, but my friend Brayden wanted something a little more sophisticated, something that would match his personal style, so I offered to help. Now, he inherited some of this furniture, which is not fitting quite right in the living room. It's really big and bulky, and we want to change out some of that. And the windows are fantastic in here. We've got floor to ceiling all along the wall, lots of natural light flooding in. We just need to give them something that might even include a desk area for working. We'll see what we can fit in here and make the space much more livable. So basically, we had to get rid of all the pieces of furniture he came with. We were starting from scratch. Now, this isn't a small living room for a condo, so we were actually able to fit in a large sitting area, a great media console with storage, and even a small desk area for Brayden. Next, we wanted some color. And what better way to do that than with a glorious rug? Now, this was a bit of a struggle. This is a 8x10 vintage rug. It's heavy, it's good quality, and it had to go under all the furniture. But we managed, and it made such a difference. And it was exactly that splash of color we needed. Brayden had the coffee table in his storage unit. It's black, it's plain, it does the job. Then, of course, we had to bring in some pillows. Not too many, but just enough for him to be comfortable. We kept them neutral. We have a few touches of blue. Now, the art brought in a lot of color as well. It's a custom piece, so we were able to get the exact size we needed to fill that huge condo wall. And I think it's the perfect backdrop for the couch. The office space was tricky because I didn't want it to look like a permanent office. So we got a ladder desk, which without the chair looks like a beautiful open bookcase, but you can pull a chair to it and then have a functional workspace. Swapping out those pieces of furniture made a huge impact. And all of those pieces we brought in, we kept neutral with a bit of wood and some black accents to keep that manly vibe alive. Now that we're done and your space is fully outfitted, are you happy with it?
Honestly, as soon as I walked in, I was absolutely shocked, and I love the way that it turned out.
And not too girly for you? Get
No.
that man vibe?
It's the perfect mix so that it's not too masculine, but it still feels like my space.
See how you can smush into the pillows? Like, wouldn't you smush like that to watch TV now?
Yeah, those are good pillows.
He chopped.
I think this looks great, and having the carpet is night and day difference.
It just brings it all in.
The art too, like I think that makes a huge difference.
Yeah.
So thank you very much.
I'm thrilled that we were able to get rid of all of Brayden's hand-me-downs because now he has a fully finished space that has his personality and that he's happy with.